Hello guys, welcome back. So this will be the final part of our Excel training, after which we'll do look at the basics of internet browsing. Now, in this final course, we'll be looking at, I'll be introducing you to some shortcuts on your keyboard that you can use to manipulate data. Now, in order to copy a data from one cell to another, you don't always have to right click, then copy here, then go and right click again, then paste. You can just simply go to that cell and press Ctrl C, then go to another cell, then press Ctrl V. Some of these shortcuts are already shown in the manual and I believe they would help. Now Ctrl C is to copy, Ctrl V is to paste. Now we talked about Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y. Ctrl Z is to undo, Ctrl Y is to redo. Then we have Ctrl S. Now if I press Ctrl S here, Ctrl S is used to save. Now let's save this document. Let's save on desktop as usual. Let's save it in our Empower Training folder. Let's call this Power Basic Micosoft Training. So this has been saved as Microsoft Excel. You notice the saving an Excel Excel document is similar to saving a Microsoft Office document. Now, we didn't look at the inserts. The features are similar to that of Microsoft Word. Page layout, the features are also similar. Formula simply talks about different formulas that are available to you. You can just play around this. You can just click it, look at what you need for the formula to work. Now, we also used a term here. We used comparison operators. You know, comparison operators, we have greater than, less than, equal to, we have not greater than, we have not less than, and the like. So you can use any of those operators when using your if statement. Now there are a million and one functions in Excel that you could actually use. So it's good you just play around with it, get data, manipulate this data. You can find the average. There are functions for average, there are functions for minimum, there are functions for maximum. There are so many functions in Excel that you could actually use. So I will implore the students to actually take their time out and sit with it, work with a lot of data, work with manipulating the data, and understand that Google is your big friend when you are in the IT industry. Without being able to search the internet every time, you won't be able to move forward. Thank you.